Hi guys, welcome to this SSD that's solely there for our SARDI icons, and there is not even a ISO reference. That's an alias that we use. So this is an ISO or an SSD that has been rolling since May, what year? 2018, right? So this is an SSD that I've installed at that particular moment in time, 5 years ago, and use keep on rolling. This is the container, the SSD, where I design the SARDI and the Surfn icons. Now, one of the things I want to show you is, first of all, there is so much information. Let's go to Firefox, but yeah, it's gonna load everything up. Close other tabs. So go to Eric Dubois, that one. This is really everything you need to know about icons if you want to change them, make differences or mix things, flexible modularity. There are scripts in there. If you want to have the purple gone and have something else, you can do so. And there's the Surfn, and we visit a lot of distros. I should add one more to this morning. I did Maybox, right? 119, but I tend to forget the numbering, so not important. What I saw this morning is that we have the possibility to change, there you go, to change to icons, wait for it, loading everything up, because this contains lots of icons, so I can have a look around. This is the old look, right? And I found out that if we git clone the GitHub from Numix icon theme circle, it's actually changed. So 48, nope, not there. It's gonna be in Numix icon theme, maybe Numix, and then 48, sure, and then places. So we have these are not the ones I just saw, so question mark, where is it now? It might be that this particular one was not git pulled yet. So git pull, GTI pull, yeah, git pull, let's see. Oh yeah, right. So this was not yet up to date, places, and they've changed their icons. As you see, it's a bit different. So when I saw this, it's this icon that it's normally, right? And these are the icons we have now. These are the older ones, these are the new ones, but I like both. All right. What if I want to have the Surfn icons for the apps, and then later on these for the places? How do I do that? That's the topic of the video, right? Mixing themes, creating your own theme, deciding I don't want to have this particular icon for Firefox, but something else that you found on the internet to say, oh, I like that one. Okay, and so you can do the gritty kind of thing, like one icon needs to change, or the complete folder system here needs to change. So it's all about, well, knowing what you want, basically, and then having the knowledge to change it the way you want. So we have a Surfn Numix. I was already thinking about what name should I give this new thing, right? Surfn Numixs. What if I don't know. I was thinking about Numix Evolved or something like that. Something extra, or Numix with an S, simple. I don't know. Let's do Numix with an S. It's just less work. It's just one S that we need to add everywhere, which means I need to go to index theme. I call it Numix, right? Surfn Numix inherits from there, that's good. Nothing else needs to change, that's fun. Save. So now I have a copy, Surfn Numix, and yeah, I can already go to the look, appearance, icons, and look for Numix. So now we are using that particular folder. We're going to put this guy over here and that guy over there. That means that the Surfn Numixs 16, what did I put in there? There are places in there, let's see later. Scalable, places. And what do we have here? 48, these are all references to somewhere else. These are scalable, places. Those are the symbolic things. So basically I need these guys, places. I don't want all the blue things, I will just want the yellow things. So from here till here. There are others here as well. Those are links. Ah yeah, what's important for us to know is go and install Nemo. Go and install Nemo. And then back to the documents. Numix icon theme, Numix 48, places. This one, I'm not interested in the links. I just want the images. Where is the yellow folder? Is that the yellow folder? Or is it this one? It's this one I want. This one till, let's see, this one. Control C. So let's go for another one, another Nemo. And we go to the icons, we go to Numix, Surfn Numixs with an S. Scalable, places, these guys. What happens if I say Control C, Control V? This one is going to replace with that one. So replace, 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 and off we go. Replace. What do I have that's not yet replaced? F5. Refresh. This one, folder new, is not there. But we might be possible that we don't use it. Let's see, F. No, so might be not needed. And then we go for folder remote. I guess they have stopped using that folder as well. Let's see, remote. There is this one, the default network. Right? So if you think you need it, folder remote, if you think that's important for you, you create something like that. Huh? You say Linux -s default network SVG and folder remote SVG. And then you make a link to another file, another icon. Okay, so that might be good. The GNOME trash, where is the trash? How is the trash looking today? Let's see. Trash. That's the trash today. So it's more a grayish kind of trash. So this one. Control C, Control V. Cancel. Copy. Paste. Better. So replace. If we go F5, all the links to the gray one will be gray. And the red is red. This still looks good. And then we have a look around. Right? This is the look here. Is something that needs to be changed. This is looking good. I like it very much, I must say. But these things have not changed. Okay. But there was more. In the Numix icon theme, Numix, in the 16 maybe. Let's see to the places. What do we have here? Surfn Numixs 16 places. Everything looks like that. I'd like to have my yellowish kind of thing. I think it ends here. I'm not sure about these guys. So first those, Control C, Control V, replace everything. F5, make sure that you have all the new guys in. This one looks different. And this is the user trash. How is it looking here? User trash. So we need to change that one. Control V, replace, F5. So now everything is, I think, hopefully looking good. So if you open a Thunar file manager, you get this. Let's clean the trash, empty trash. And it's this kind of color. What I still see is this. These are okay. But one of those guys is still dark yellow. Why? Where is he grabbing the icon? So Surfn Numixs. Maybe we should create an icon theme cache for it. Create icon theme cache. And there you go. So now we have all icons accounted for. Control H. Looking good. Well, anyway, it looks good for me, right? It's always choice, 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 preferences. So if I open Thunar, this is gonna be my look. And if I open Nemo, this is gonna be my look. I don't see any issues anymore, which means, and now the decision time, right? Decision time. Will I add it to this default Surfn? Or will I add it to a repo that we call the Nemesis repo, which is my own personal one? And probably, right, falling in love again with another icon theme. Let's include it in the Surfn icon theme. So if you install the icons, all I have to do is add some extra lines. So maybe you want to see, you can stop here. So it's done. We've created it. But the background, the what goes on afterwards still needs to be checked. I'm gonna make an icon cache here. I'm gonna use this. Now it's easy, right? Just an S. Numix. Save. So I can run my icon cache maker. And there you go. So that's done. I have the create Surfn, where I should say use also the folder Numix. So I'm going to copy paste everything from one place to another place, and then we update everything to GitHub. Okay. Anything else? Maybe let's see if I forgot anything. Broken links checker. Okay. Basically, this checks whatever thing I have that is broken. And we need to update the log. Change log Surfn. Edit Surfn Numixs. That's it. All right, anything else? Let's see if there were some things broken. Not yet, so I'm gonna move it over here. And there we go. There we go. Did I forget anything? So Surfn Numixs and Surfn Numixs with an S. License is here. Icon theme is here. No. That's cool. That's a new icon cache that we've created. And license, scalable, places. Let's have a last look. There are all some things in here that where I don't know, but those are icons we don't see. So there's an old look, right? But we don't see it. We can get rid of it and then decide later. But let's leave it in, and if we see it somewhere in some application that is used, we can still change it. All right, I'm really thinking very hard, but I don't think. And now we're gonna create Surfn. So basically we're gonna move it from A to B and push it online. And that's how we create different themes. How much time does it cost you? The video is 60 minutes, right? With some knowledge, you can do whatever you want. And that's it. I've done, we can't do anything else except build the new Surfn icon theme. I think I'm gonna call it 2312.5, I think. All right, cheers.